Welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, I will tell you that, how to rank your gig with Fiverr View Quick Extension. With this extension, you can easily optimize your gig. By doing this, you'll get higher rankings, without spending a single dime. Before starting the video, read it carefully. So, let's get started. Now, search Fiverr Quick View Extension on Google. Click on first option. It is the Chrome website store. Now, on right side, you have an option, that is, Add to Chrome. Now, click on it. Now, click on Add Extension. It's still checking. And, after installing, you will have the option, Remove from Chrome. And it will be shown in Extensions category above the search bar. It will be enabled automatically here. And, when we click on Extension, it shows default setting. Don't change default setting for now. So, for now, I'm just showing you this extension for test purpose. Like, how use this extension. One thing about it, it's absolutely free. So you can use without any fear. Now, let's test this extension. Search any random keyword on Fiverr. Like I have a searched logo design. As you can see, Fiverr homepage changes. Now, have a look on these changes. You can see 3 options here. That is, Order, Favorites, and Reviews. And, you get, Top Focused Keyword section as well. And it's showing you as a list format with usage account as well. They have arranged by usage, the most used keyword are on top. And least ones are on bottom. And, with every gig you can see it calculated reviews. And plus, all the keywords he's ranking for are shown, and, they are in front of you without opening a single gig. This is very helpful thing. You can work on these top focused keyword. Because seller are using these terms more often than others. As an example, you can see, I've searched for a logo design. And people are using same logo design keyword in their title and description. You go more advanced with it. If you want, you can rank these gigs in order wise. Just click on order bar section. So, they are arranged in order wise. As you can see, this gig got most order. And the gig with least order are down here. So, that way, you can search any keyword. This extension shows you the top rated keyword that you can add into your gig. This extension will help you rank your gig. I hope you learn very well. Try this extension as well. Thanks for watching.